In today's video, you will learn how to create gold text in Adobe Photoshop. We are going to create a clean and realistic gold text effect using layer styles, gradients, and a simple adjustment technique that gives the text a polished metallic look. Start by creating a new document. Make sure the color mode is set to 16-bit because this helps create smoother gradients and better lighting transitions. Set the background color to black so the gold effect stands out clearly against the dark backdrop. Next, select the text tool and type your text. For this example, use a bold inline style font to give the metallic effect more depth and detail. Once your text is in place, change the text color to a medium gray around 50% gray. This is important because the gold tones will be added later through effects and gradients rather than the original text color itself. Press Ctrl and A to select the entire canvas, then use the alignment tools to center the text perfectly in the middle. After that, press Ctrl and D to deselect the selection. Now press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform and scale the text larger while holding Shift to keep the proportions balanced and clean. Open the Layer Style panel and apply Bevel and Emboss. This is the key effect that creates the three-dimensional metallic shape. Carefully adjust the settings to add smooth highlights and shadows across the edges of the letters. Once that looks good, add an inner shadow to increase the depth and make the gold effect feel more realistic and polished. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the styles. Place the text layer into a group by dragging it onto the folder icon. Then rename the group to stay organized. Create a new layer above the folder and choose the gradient tool. Select the standard black and white gradient, then click and drag upward at a slight angle. This creates a reflective lighting effect across the text. Right-click the gradient layer and choose Create Clipping Mask so the gradient only affects the text group below it. Change the blending mode to Overlay and reduce the fill value until the effect looks subtle and smooth. To finish the gold look, add a gradient map adjustment layer and load the custom gold gradient preset. Apply it only to the layer below using the clipping option. This instantly transforms the gray text into a rich metallic gold finish with realistic highlights and shadows. And that is how you create a professional gold text effect in Photoshop.